I'm going to show you long division. I'm going to use 3 digits. Now, this is the way you have to set it up, because this is the way I do it. Now, you underline, and you have to have these. I have to underline this. And you ask yourself, what number times 5 is equals 6? Well, it's either equals 6 or close to 6. So I'm gonna use a 1, and but I didn't use 2 digits, so I put 2 zeros. So now I do 100 times 5 is 500. So now I take this number minus this number, this. Now you minus them. Now you have this. Now you do it again. You underline this. What number times 5 is 1? Well, 1 is smaller than 5, so you can't do that. So you jump over to this number. What number times 5 is 14? So 5 times 2 is 10. So 5 times 3 is 15. So 15 is bigger than 14. So you can do that. So you have to do a 10. So you write a 2. You didn't use one number, so you put a 0 right there. 1 digit. So because you didn't use 1 digit, so you put the 0 there. Now you have to do this. Now you do 20 times 5 is 10. So you put 10 down and you put a 0 because there's another 0. Now you minus this. Now you underline this. What number times 5 is 4? Nothing, because 4 is smaller than 5. So you jump over to this number. What number times 5 is 43? Well, if you know your times facts and you know how to count by 5, you can get this answer. And my answer would be an 8, because but we didn't put any zeros because I used all my digits. Now you time it. 8 times 5 is 40. Put a 40 down. And you subtract it, 3. Now when you see your number that it is smaller than the number right here, then you're all done. So now you put a little plus sign right here and you add these up. This is your answer. Now 1, and it has a remainder of 3. The way you can check your answer is this way. You could do 128 times 5. So if you know, I use this method to help me. So 1 times 5 is 500, so you put 2 zeros. Then 2 times 5 is 100. Then 8 times 5 is 40. And you add them up. 0, 4, 6. You know you didn't get your answer right, right? But you have to add plus your remainder too. So you plus 3, because that's your remainder. So you have put 3, 4, 6. That's how you can check your answer.